Saul Castañeda here at MCSC here at Green Wheels in Chicago. We're about to open this box. Let's see what's in it. Well, there you go. We got here an anti-sway bar. Get this out. It's a big puppy and she's heavy, very heavy. This bad boy right here is going to be going into our 1993 Ford Mustang LX that we are doing a Coyote swap with. So as you know, with the Coyote we're kicking in the new K member, and we got this little puppy here. I think it's from came from Jegs out of KW Suspensions. Very nice job on the powder coating. Like the color. Also, see what we got here. Awesome. There you go. Kind of what we always expect when they say it's a kit. A complete kit.
What's in there?
So basically what you want to find in here, these are your Swaybar links and your hardware to them. You got your little rubbers, and these are all poly that are really hard. They're not that rubber. And then we have the Swaybar bushings, so these guys hold the Swaybar to the chassis. And these guys right here, they connect to your lower control arms on that front end. Very nicely done, very nicely packaged. It is a very heavy duty, feels like a very heavy duty Swaybar. I don't know, let's see if we can get a shot of it without this plastic here. Oops. Yeah. Good weight, very thick. Like a little metallic to it. Let me get a light to it. So basically what you want to do, what we open these boxes for and we go through it, a lot of times what you see online is not exactly what you get. We went ahead and ordered an extra set of these, extra set of Swaybar links, just because we thought it didn't come with it. We have been accustomed to allowing companies, corporations, and all these big conglomerate people just send us unfinished and, you know, incomplete kits. And now half the time we have found ourselves in our builds scrambling, looking for screws. For example, our first initial K-member installation on Sergeant Reckless, we had to go buy hardware because it was never included into the kit. It's a good thing now there is, but after the years, you know, it's a very frustrating thing in this industry that a lot of times is not what you get, what you see online. So we have to go through these steps of opening in and making sure that everything's in here. So always got to keep that in mind about ordering. You know, just because it's online doesn't necessarily mean that it's in there. So always make sure that your kit's complete, because you may be throwing away a lot of money. This guy is complete. They sent us everything, and everything's in good conditions, and everything's is a good quality. We got polyurethane, all bushing, so we shouldn't have to worry about anything going bad in the future. Typically what you want, this sway bar right here, it stabilizes the vehicle from going from left to right. Typically when you turn left, this guy kind of counters and picks up your right side. So it stabilizes the whole vehicle, keeps your car running straight, aligned straight. So that's what the purpose of this bad boy is right here. It's a good thing we got a heavy duty, because we're running a very hefty engine in there, and God knows we want to stay in a straight line when you're running fast. Thanks everyone for subscribing over on our YouTube page. Check us out on our Facebook page, our Instagram. Please keep watching. Please keep subscribing. Hit that like button, people. Thanks.